Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to describe a place you visited on vacation. Let's begin with this cue card. Describe a place you visited on vacation. Where is it? When you went there? What you did there? And explain why you went there. Let's start with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, visiting new places in my free time gives me a sense of satisfaction because traveling is one of my favorite hobbies. Here, I would like to talk about a place called Leh that I visited during my last vacation. A few months back, I was free due to my ongoing holidays. I decided to visit any hill station with my family in order to spend some quality time there. The reason for visiting this place is that my best friend Mike visited there and shared some photos and videos with me, which made me fascinated. So, we chose to go to Leh as none of us visited there before. This place is around 300 kilometers from my city, so we went there by car. I have to say, our journey was quite adventurous. So, as we stopped at multiple locations to capture beautiful photos and to enjoy food and drinks. On the way to our destination, we took photos of snow-clad mountains, waterfalls, and lush green valleys. We reached there on time, so we easily found a room with a wonderful balcony view. We took some rest for a couple of hours and then we did some sightseeing. We spent 2 days there, and during the whole period we visited local temples and historical sites and tasted local cuisines. Besides, I got the opportunity to talk to some local people, which helped me acquire some information about their culture. So this was the place where I visited during my last vacation. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will see some follow-ups for these cue cards that can be asked in the IELTS exam. Let's begin. And the very first one is, do old people and young people like to go to different places for vacation? Well, it depends on individuals. Older people like to visit museums, temples, or monuments, whereas youngsters like to explore hill stations and take part in adventurous activities. But these days, old people can also visit mountains during holidays and young people visit historical sites. Next question is, what are some popular attractions that people like to visit in your country? In India, there are a lot of tourist attractions where people visit. Indians people like to visit museums, historical places, and monuments where they get knowledge about history and tradition. Then they like to visit restaurants and shopping malls in order to enjoy their leisure time with friends and family members. Next question is, what do old people and young people think about when making travel plans? I would say older people give more importance to comfort than adventure because their main objective is to relax themselves, whereas youngsters like to do something new and adventurous. So they like to visit places where they can do some recreational activities. How do people get to know about new places? I think individuals come to know about new locations from their friends, who share their trips, photos, and videos on their social media accounts. Then they also get to know about these through the internet, as there are many videos available on YouTube. Finally, they get information through TV and news ads. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. And we also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you for being here.